there's a large variety of students. People are coming here for lots of different things, lots of different intentionalities. And we try to make sure that our programs and our support structures exist in a way that enables them to do the things that they want to do. Welcome to the Department of Computer Science. Computer science really is becoming a central science to all of the other things that are happening.
When I came to this department and choose this interdisciplinary field, I got to work on cancer mutation trees, and the work that we do here can be used for personalized treatments, and now I see how this research is important.
Computer science is one of these disciplines that has sort of emerged and transformed as it has matured. It really does touch into these interdisciplinary boundaries between traditional departments and enable new things and new ways of thinking about the things we're doing.
Our students at all levels can be involved in cutting-edge research, and they can contribute to real-world applications and innovative technologies.
We have one of the strongest HCI labs in all of Canada. We've got people working with AI, working on virtual reality stuff, working on things for older adults and how to improve technologies to be more usable. On the other side, we have people working with robots and bringing robots into everyday life, and just general things on how to make people's lives better.
Experience has been really amazing, and people here are really supportive, helpful, and people give you a chance and trust you. I'm working in different ways of helping older adults with technology, and my focus is in leisure in tech for older adults.
My research is in theoretical computer science, and what that means is that we're thinking about solving a problem using a step-by-step process in sort of a very abstract way. And if you can, how efficiently can you do it?
My research generally falls under the category of natural language processing and computational linguistics. One of the things I'm really interested in working with is Indigenous language technology. In adapting these large language models to maybe minority languages that are paid less attention to, especially by the big companies training these large language models, and seeing how can we get these speaker communities to avail themselves of this new technology.
My research field is in the area of machine learning, which has brought about the AI revolution. I develop algorithms for machine learning, and I apply these algorithms to areas like digital agriculture and remote sensing. So there's an opportunity to work with other researchers and other experts while developing new contributions to machine learning.
We're interested in how we can design and evaluate robots and how people interact with robots. I'm interested in companion robots. So Snugglebot is designed with like 3 ideas. One is that it's physically comforting. We also wanted it to kind of encourage people and engage them in interaction. You can experience research and like explore all the future of technology, and like there's lots of really collaborative opportunities with other students, and it's just a lot of fun, honestly.
My experience with the community here has been great so far. In the classrooms and in my lab, there's students from all over the world working on different projects, and it's really interesting talking to them and hearing about their perspectives. But also at the same time, people make time for you, and you can kind of feel the warmth within the community. Everyone's very friendly.
Computer science has a wide variety of equipment and resources that we have available to students and faculty.
The Computer Science Help Center is for all students who are taking a computer science class. You don't even have to be in the department. So students of all levels are welcome to come to the Help Center.
Within our department, we are strongly committed to equity, diversity, and inclusion. We make sure that all of our faculty and all of our students are supported in every way that we can, and ways in which we can recognize and address these inherent biases in the systems that we create and employ, because a lot of groups like this has this historical bias that sort of has brought us to where we are. An awful lot of old cis straight white men like myself are fundamental to the creation of this discipline, and it is critically important to make sure that more perspectives are brought to bear to solve the important problems of the world.
Our faculty members are passionate about mentoring students. We have a strong ties with industry, and we have multidisciplinary research.
I have established a very nice research lab, which is very collegial, very diversified and very inclusive, in the sense that my students come from undergraduate level, graduate level, master's, PhDs.
The students have organized several different student groups. We try to make sure that everybody is represented and included.
The pleased to say is the main computer science club for all of the clubs that we have at the university. We are the main talking point between students and the department. We help voice students' concerns to the department, and meeting here is great for your connections and talking to other people outside of your social interactions that you usually have inside of classes.
For Dev Club, it's really just all about growing together and learning together as a community, working in different areas of tech. They will definitely learn a lot about what it means to work in a team and what it's like learning new parts of technology.
This year, we proudly hosted the 10th .devhex, a major milestone for our club and community. The event brought together over 200 from various universities and led to the creation of more than 50 innovative projects in just one weekend. It was more than a hackathon. It was a celebration of creativity, problem solving, and shared passion for technology.
UMix is a student group created to promote and support women and gender minorities in the field of computer science. We hold various events throughout the year to foster a supportive and encouraging community, including opportunities where students can learn from industry mentors. We hope to continue to create these safe spaces for women and gender minorities to not only find community, but to continue to prosper as they go on into the field on their own.
We make sure to recognize that information comes from a lot of different sources. We have built a structure that helps people get to a point of competence and excellence in an efficient way, taking into account the realities of the world in which they're going to be doing this work. We're very proud of our co-op program. We have a large and efficient co-op program that places many students into many industries here in Winnipeg and in Manitoba and around the world.
My experience as a data science student at the University of Manitoba has been great. I was able to meet a lot of friends, and also we help each other out in building our career. The computer science co-op program helps me to explore different career paths, gain hands-on experience, and also build my own professional network. I was the 2022-2023 MSU International Student Representative, and from that experience I was able to build a lot from my soft skill and also my leadership skills.
The kind of jobs that a person can get with a computer science degree are wide-ranging and lucrative. The top 20 highest paying jobs in Canada, half of them were computer jobs.
Computer science can open doors to a wide range of careers, from AI, machine learning, research scientists to data scientists, software engineer, and they can work in different industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment.
One of the benefits of the Department of Computer Science at the University of Manitoba is that you have so many people working on so many different things. There's a lot of interactive work both within computer science and with other fields.
The nice thing about developing machine learning skills is you can port those skills to many different industries, many different areas. So I have students that go and develop machine learning algorithms for companies, but I also have students that go work government, so federal research departments.
I'm really pleased to work with Ericsson and other academic partners because now we can work together developing cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. And because of this collaboration, we would be able to train top cybersecurity talent across Canada. They would gain great exposure to real-world security challenges and problems. So this would give them a competitive edge in the job market.
The kind of jobs that are the new, exciting, high-paying, high-impact jobs are computer science jobs.